ChatGPT Side Hustle, 20 plus ways to make an income working from home using ChatGPT AI. Once you learn the basics of ChatGPT, you can get a good start in using that knowledge and skill to make an income working from home. You can connect with your local businesses and ask them if they're looking for someone to produce a monthly newsletter. ChatGPT can help you with the content, it can help you with the layout, learn how to create images using ChatGPT, and you can transfer those images to the newsletter. You can do podcasting, upload a lot of social media posts for a company or a business. In the past, maybe they did not have someone doing any social media for their small business. Now you can say, I'll promote your business and I'll put 5 social media posts a day or 5 social media posts a week. And with AI, you can become very prolific in your social media posts. You will learn different ways to use ChatGPT AI and to make an income working from home. 20 plus ways to make an income using ChatGPT AI. I hope you sign up for my class as you learn different ways that will trigger your mind on how you can use the talents and skills that you have, or maybe learn something new to make an income using AI. Thank you.